Welcome to Rowan Precision Limited, where in the heart of the industrial West Midlands, we have been manufacturing quality precision turn parts for over 30 years. During this time, our engineers and staff have built a strong reputation for the production of the highest quality CNC machined parts for our national and international customers, including industries such as aerospace, medical, safety, defence, lighting, automotive, electronics and telecommunications. Internal administration and product traceability is based around the latest Red Ant production control suite, which covers quotations, order acknowledgement, scheduling and job cards through to dispatch of invoicing. The impressive range of state-of-the-art CNC equipment is all controlled by our Office Programmable DNC system, which has online backup for security and peace of mind. Parts can be designed and modelled in 3D using the latest SolidWorks CAD software. The design can be exported to our CAM package for machining simulation or printed on a 3D printer. The Goering tool vending machine is at the heart of our tool management system, controlled via barcodes. It ensures tools are readily available for every component process. Production capability is centred around our 13-axis sliding head machines, which handle any type of material up to a maximum diameter of 32 mm, and our state-of-the-art fixed head mill turn machining centres, all with C-axis capability, and have capacity to process material up to a maximum of 80 mm bar diameter. To achieve class-leading quality, our rigorous inspection and testing procedures are exactly what you'd expect from a company registered to the Aerospace Quality Standard BS-EN AS9100. Our recently installed CNC image measurement system uses the most advanced image measurement technology and provides comprehensive dimension measurement and reporting. A class-leading mech wash aqueous ultrasonic cleaning plant has been installed to meet the stringent requirements of our customers. This gives excellent results whilst being mindful of our environmental responsibilities. Assembly is an important and expanding service that we offer our customers, which not only includes product assembly, but also product testing and packing to customers' requirements, reducing the overall time to reach the point of sale. Finally, to add to our extensive manufacturing capability, we add finishing to the highest possible standards, extensive assembly facilities, Kanban and consignment stock services, all delivered directly to our local market or with courier to our national and overseas customers. Rowan Precision Limited, the highest quality CNC machined parts.